grammar portion of a class. Adjectives. First of all, you have to know what is adjectives. Adjective is a word. If I'm talking about adjectives, then you can say words that describes nouns or pronouns. You know very well, people, place, things. These all are nouns. Maybe animals also. If there is a name mentioned, then you can say. But I'm talking here nouns of a noun and a word if describes nouns of a noun. Next, we have to know. You can see the picture. She is wearing a shiny blue track suit. How can you understand which one is adjective and adjectives and which one is noun? A shiny blue track suit. Track suit, or you can say suit. Suit is a noun. And if I'm talking about description of suit, then you can say shiny blue track. And this is track suit. Okay. So if I'm talking suit, then track is a word describe about suit, blue is a word describe about suit, shiny is a word describe about suits. Okay. So shiny, blue, track. These are adjectives. Maybe somewhere you will get only one adjective. It's a bright sunny day. Day is a noun, bright sunny day. Okay, according to sentence, according to your word, adjectives are there. What is the adjectives? What is the adjective used in the sentence? Now you have to understand, because you are going to learn adjectives. You have known noun. So there is a question for you. What is the adjective used in the sentence? Actually, adjectives describe the noun. Adjective also asks the questions. What kind? Which one? How many? How much? Okay, you can say and you can understand. Adjective also asks the questions. Now, today is a warm day with hundreds of birds chirping in the clear blue sky. What can? How many? What can't? You can understand through the picture. I have given arrow also. How many? 100. What can? Kind? A warm day. In below you are getting your clear blue sky. Okay? What kind? Clear blue. Now, one should not use too many adjectives in the sentences. One should not use too many adjectives in the sentences. For example, the fierce, ugly, old brown tiger. Through the sentence, you can understand. Don't use more and more and more adjective. To make a perfect sentence, one should follow the following order. That means you have to go through one by one. So, on the screen, I have given the order by which you have to go through. Size, texture, color, type. Through this, you can make a perfect sentence. The yellow big beach shiny ball. The big shiny yellow beach ball. Which one is correct? One which is not correct, that means incorrect. You are getting on the screen cut mark and correct mark also. The big shiny yellow beach ball is a correct sentence. Points to remember. You can keep in your mind. Possessive pronoun can be also used as adjective. For example, this is his book. Whose book? His book. His is a pronoun and here it is used as adjectives. The, a, and an are called articles. Articles are always adjectives. They modify nouns or pronouns. For example, the two dark cats were walking on the fence. The adjective because it modifies the noun cats and is an article. 2. Adjective because it modifies the noun cats and answer the question how many. Yes. Now, if I'm talking about dark, adjective because it modifies the noun cats and answer the question what can. You can say if I'm talking about dark, then you are saying you want to know what can, then dark, and dark is an adjective. 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to say in number how many, then 2, and the, you know very well, the is an article. A and the is articles. Okay. The chocolate one is his last cookie. The adjective because it modifies the pronoun one and is an article. Chocolate adjective because it modifies the pronoun one and tells what kind. His adjective because it is a possessive pronoun that modifies the noun cookies and answer the question which one. Okay, which is this? Which one is this? Last adjective because it modifies the noun cookie and tell which one. Let's practice. You have to practice. I have given on the screen and hope you all will do very well. Okay, try to read and try to do. Okay, best of luck. And if till now if you have not subscribed my channel, then you have to subscribe. Okay, and like and comment you have to do, and you can forward my channel to your friends also. Thank you so much.